Chapter 4, Drawing Object in Pygame 0. 2. How to draw alien.
How can I draw the alien in the window?
You can draw the alien using the draw method. You can set the position of the actor with pixel coordinates starting from 0, 0 in the top left. You can set the anchor point of the actor in the constructor by passing one of these as a keyword argument. Position, top left, top right, bottom left, bottom right, mid top, mid left, mid right, mid bottom, or center. At first, you need to save the image in the Images folder. Let's write the code.
What does this code mean?
The actor is a built-in class for displaying images. This code loads an image of the alien from the Images folder and displays it by specifying the center position of the image. And the draw method draws the image in the screen. Let's run this code. The alien is drawn in the window.